Welcome to Crypto EP108, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And we can see the chart right now. BTC is trading at 100,154, but that's not what we're going to talk about. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and thanks for joining me on today's episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. Again, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content I will be dropping for you. Also, you can follow me on X, where I drop so much information for you guys to know what is going on in the crypto community. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok to get some nugget as I drop it for you daily. All right, if you're just joining, welcome to the show, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble. All right, first of all, like we do on the show, we're not going to take a look at the chart now. We'll come back to that later. But first of all, we look at the news that are making the radar so we know what is going on in the crypto space before we come to the economy calendar, then check the market cap, and now analyze the chart to know if we need to sell some of our assets, or we need to buy more, or we need to just wait till we get a good signal. These are more what you're going to be enjoying on the show this morning. All right, let's dive into it straight up. The first news that I'm going to bring to you is this, and is we have about 2.1 billion worth of Bitcoin options about to expire. 2.1 billion, guys, of Bitcoin about to expire, and that now leads to this second news, where we have BTC returns above 100,000 as monthly inflow hits 80 billion US dollars. BTC is above 100k as I'm recording this episode right now, and the monthly inflow hit 80 billion US dollar. That's a great news when it comes to Bitcoin and all of that. Now, another news regarding BTC. Bitcoin ETFs hit 50.5 billion in cumulative net inflow in first year. We're talking about the ETF that was launched in June thereabout, and now we've seen the net flow now hit 5.5 billion in cumulative net inflow in the first year. That is great news. All right, let's move to another news, and this is about exchange. Kraken fined 5.1 million US dollars in Australia for illegal margin trading. Also, we have this on the radar coming out of Canada. Vancouver City Council to mulct accepting BTC for taxes and reserve strategy. Also, we have news from Link surges to 2021 level as Donald Trump World Liberty buys more Chainlink token. We have another news from AAVE. AAVE surpasses 360 million US dollar. Bullish momentum driven by the influx of the dormant tokens. All right, let's check ETH out now. Ethereum overtakes Tron as the leading network for USDT supply. Now, we cannot leave this without talking about this, which is the XRP army. XRP bull flag breaks out, could lead price to $4. If you must agree with me, XRP was trading 30 cents some weeks ago, and now we're eyeing $4. But do you need to get into the trade? Do you need to buy those assets now? Please do not rush. We're going to take a look at the chart, and we're going to analyze it to know if we need to get into some assets, or we need to sell the one we're holding on to and buy some other ones. All right, that's on the news today. Without wasting our time, let's get into the economy calendar. And like I told you, today is Friday. There's not much to expect. nothing much today. You can see it's all yellow, and when it's yellow like this, it means there are no important news. Not that these are not news, they are news, but they are not really that important. So we're not going to waste our time on the economy calendar today talking about the fundamentals. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to check out what? We're going to check out the market cap, and you can see the market cap is now back to 3.760. That's 3.7 trillion. And you know, I told you we're still waiting to celebrate 4 trillion US dollars. And the leading tokens or the leading projects still remain BTC, Ethereum, Theta, XRP, Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, Cardano, USDC, Cardano, Lido Stake, Tron, Avalanche, Chainlink, Shiba Inu, Toncoin, and the list goes on. You might want to check the list out on CoinGecko if you really want to know the top 100 or the top 1,000 coin on the radar. All right, that's on the economic calendar. I'm talking about the token cryptocurrency market cap for today. You can see all the trending tokens and the large gainers, and the cryptocurrency market cap is still sitting at 3.7 trillion, and BTC is still below 2 trillion market cap. All right, let's dive into the chart real quick and see what we need to do regarding some of us that are holding on to the token. And right now, if you look at BTC yesterday, I told you BTC is a buy, and you can see the green line there. It's a buy, and your stop loss is here. So where do we need to put our stop loss? Our stop loss still remain the same place. Our stop loss still remain the same place. So BTC is still a buy. Our stop loss still remain at the same spot. So we're not going to do anything. We're just going to wait and see if we're going to see a push above this 100k zone to a good rally up there. But right now, BTC is still a buy. Let's check out ETH real quick. Ethereum is still a buy, but the stop loss for Ethereum has now changed. The stop loss for Ethereum is now above the entry. So stop loss for Ethereum is now around 3,790. That's where the stop loss is. But ETH is still a buy. Let's check out Solana real quick. Solana is still a buy, and the stop loss is going to be right here. The stop loss is 211. That's where stop loss for Solana is. Let's check AAVE. AAVE is still shooting up, and you can see where I told you to buy AAVE. I told you to buy it at 288. It's still a buy, but the stop loss has moved. The stop loss is now at 295. Stop loss where you need to sell. Stop loss is for derivative option and okay, even spot trade I can say your stop loss, but you know, people will understand it more when you say where they need to sell. You understand? So where you need to sell is 295 for AAVE. Let's check SUI out. SUI is still a buy, and our stop loss is now at 4.34. That's where our stop loss is now sitting on 4.34. Let's check another altcoin out. Let's take a look at Tron. Tron coin is still a buy. Tron coin is still a buy, but the stop loss moved to, the stop loss is now 5.7. That's now 5.7 is now stop loss. Now let's check XRP. I told you XRP is a buy. The stop loss still remain the same. XRP is a buy. The stop loss still remain the same. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche still remain a buy, but the stop loss has changed. The stop loss is now at this point. This is now where we have stop loss. Stop loss is now at $48 for Avalanche. $48 for Avalanche. Let me know any other altcoin you want me to talk about if I have not really listed them on the radar right here. Comment in the comment down in the comment section. I'm going to take a look at it, analyze it, and let you know. If you're still watching it before we move to the meme coins, please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that happen on this great channel. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok to get all the juicy content as I drop them for you. All right, guys, let's now take a look at some meme coin. What is happening with Pepe? Pepe is still a buy. The stop loss still remain at the same place. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu still a buy. The stop loss still at the same place. Let's take a look at X. X is still a buy. Stop loss has now changed. No, yeah, X is still a buy. The stop loss has now changed. Stop loss is now at that 0.0019. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still a buy. Stop loss the same place. Let us take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is still a buy, but now you need to get out of Notcoin. You need to sell your Notcoin. Sell your Notcoin right now, guys, because it has broken one of the threshold. Please sell your Notcoin. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs is still a buy and the stop loss still remain at the same spot. Let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat seems to have a buy here, and the stop loss is right there. The stop loss for Popcat is right there. Yeah, so that's where you have the stop loss, guys. So those are the meme coins I'm just going to talk about. If you have any other meme coins, you can drop it. No, let me check Pepe before I go. Pepe is still a buy and the stop loss to remain at the same spot. So that's where we have all the entries and exit for all the tokens. If you have any other tokens or any other meme coin you want me to take a look for you, you can comment down in the comment section. I'm going to take a look at them and I'll definitely analyze them for you. All right, let's check the fear and greed index before we round up for today. And the fear and greed index is still extreme greed yesterday, greed last weekend, extreme greed last month. So we're going to see a lot of volatility happening in the market, so you need to be careful. But if you want to learn how to trade derivative options and margin trading, please, you can join my Discord channel. The links are down in the description. You can join my Telegram channel, or you can join other platform that I'm on, where I'll be dropping signals daily, weekly, hourly, and all of that. But all the signals I'm dropping on this one is for people that are buying and holding on to it, and that is for investors and spot trader. All right, that's what I have for you today on a Friday, talking about the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Until I catch you on Monday on another wonderful packed episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Make sure you trade cautiously, invest with the amount you can afford to lose when it comes to crypto, and remember, this is not financial advice in any way. It's just for educational purpose. But with my years of experience in the game, I'll be able to always give you good signals, and I appreciate the comment that have been coming from you guys all the way. All right, I'll see you on Monday, and do have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.